Friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you? I hope my all friends and viewers will be fine. Okay, doing well and enjoy the life with their sweet family and sweet friends like me. I'm also good. I'm also perfect. Alhamdulillah. Thanks of my Allah. So if someone suffering from any fever, any disease, any pain, I wish and I pray to my Allah, Allah give them good health. Ameen. Summa ameen. So let's back to our video. Today I am going to share with you very impressive and very attractive ideas. It's amazing and fantastic short pixie hair cutting ideas and hair styling ideas for ladies and girls. So please don't skip my video and don't forget sharing this video with your family and friends. It's all are amazing and fabulous ideas. Short pixie. If you are watching first time video, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. After clicking the bell icon, you will get notification. All of my videos, tips and ideas. Wow, super duper ideas and beautiful ideas. Then please do support my all videos, my all ideas. And fantastic ideas about beautiful short pixie. You can easily try and apply this all beautiful short pixie on your own hair. It's all our trending fashion, amazing fashion ideas about short pixie. When you visit my channel, then you can get many more ideas like bob cut, short bob, long bob, stacked bob, graduated bob, inverted bob, and also layered haircut like a long layered, short layered, medium layered, and many more. Okay, now I have to go. Thanks for watching. See you again till the next video. Goodbye. Have a nice day and superb day. Allah Hafiz. Friends, welcome.